Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back play Cashier game
with my daddy. Let's go.
Halo.
Halo, Ozyl. Nih belanja Naya nih.
Oke.
Nah, coba hitung dulu belanja Naya berapa. Pelan-pelan aja.
Oke.
Wah, timbang.
Pelan-pelan, Dek.
I want this wrapper. Something.
Dah. Berapa jumlahnya? Sebanyak ini only $5.
By card.
Very cheap.
By card.
Taruh di abonnya dulu. Tas belanjaan Ayah. Jangan ada yang kelupaan ya belanjaannya ya. Ini lagi. Oke, ini this my card, credit card. Pin? Oke. Oke.
This card.
Thank you.
And guys, I'm already done. That and you subscribe and goodbye. Welcome to the supermarket.
Okay,
Afternoon.
good afternoon. This is my shopping chart.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
One, two, three,
Milk,
four,
cocoa bar,
five,
egg,
6,
fish,
7,
sausage. Okay, chicken,
8,
corn,
10.
one pack of milk, and then the other. Yeah, there's another one, the cabbage.
11.
Okay. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay, how much?
By card.
I want to pay by yes, card,
Cash
please.
or the card.
Card, please.
Card.
Yep.
Here.
How much? Oh, how much?
By cash or by a card.
I want to pay by card. How much all? $1 for all? Wow, your supermarket very, very cheap. This is my card. Okay, my bid. Oh. Yeah, I'm done. This is the machine. Okay. I pay by card, but I got the coin for change.
Yeah.
Oh, you are so kind. Oh, I got so many coins. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. My chart, please. Okay. Thanks. Bye-bye. See you again.
Welcome to McDonald's.
Hi.
You want order?
Yes, of course. Can I have 1 cup of coffee?
1 coffee,
Yes. And then 1 pizza.
1 pizza.
There's no pizza in McDonald's, right? Okay. Can I have 1 cup of coffee and then 1 spaghetti?
1 coffee, 1 spaghetti.
And then what do you have? Maybe
Fish, purple.
fish? Oh, in McDonald's there is a fish? Okay. Can I have 1 fish too?
You want the color? You want the fish?
Oh,
You have the purple. How about green?
okay. Can I have the green one, please? Green fish.
Okay.
All right.
Green.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's all my order. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fish.
Wow. Oh. Wow. Wow, my food's ready. Seems delicious. Looks like it's very delicious. Yeah, fish coming. And then my coffee, please. Right.
Done.
Oh, and one more thing. Can I have an ice cream, please?
Ice cream.
Yeah, do you have it? Ice
Wait for a
cream?
minute. Hey, mango ice cream.
You love your ice cream?
have.
You lost it?
Nothing. I have.
Maybe
To
under your stove, maybe? You put it there? Can you find it for me?
Maybe right here.
Yeah, maybe.
How about here? Not here.
Oh, you don't have any ice cream. So it's okay, Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Holy,
Okay, it's okay.
you know.
How much then?
And
Mm-hmm.
a minute.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. Not this. 1, 2, $3.
$3. All right. I'm gonna pay by coin. Is that okay if I pay?
Card.
No, I want to pay by coins. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Because I have a lot of coins,
Yeah.
so I want to give it all to you. That's okay, Kak? Yeah, this is my coins. Okay, thank you. Can I have my food? I cannot reach. It's too far from mommy. It's too far from me. Okay, this is wow. So yummy. This is my coffee. Thanks. Okay, I forget this. This is, what is this? Fork. Garpu. Fork.
Yeah, for spaghetti.
Oh, alright. Thanks.
For the fish.
I also for the fish. Okay, thanks. See you again. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay.
That guys,
Thanks
that's
for
my
watching.
video.
Thanks for.
Thanks for watching, and you subscribe my video right here. Like and share, and goodbye.
See you again.
See you again.
Bye bye.
Bye. Little my hand.
This is your little hands. Bye.